Hello, good morning everyone. In today's session, we will learn about the factors affecting the climate. So, children, there are many factors which affect the climate of a place. First factor is latitude. The region which lie in the equatorial region from 0 degree to 23.5 degree north, that is Tropic of Cancer, and 0 degree to 23.5 degree south, Tropic of Capricorn, get heated by the intense rays of the sun. Places that are located on or near the equator get direct rays of the sun almost throughout the year. It means the places which are very near to the equator, they receive the direct rays of the sun and they remains hot throughout the year. Here, the rays fall vertically and are concentrated on a small area which increases their intensity. This region is called the torrid zone. Some of the places that lie in this zone are Brazil, Malaysia, Hawaii, etc. These places have a wet climate, warm temperature and get heavy rainfalls. The regions which lie between 23.5 degree north means Tropic of Cancer to 66.5 degree north, Arctic Circle, and between 23.5 degree south, that is Tropic of Capricorn, to 66.5 degree south, Antarctic Circle experience moderate climatic conditions, that they are neither too hot nor very cold. This is called the temperate zone. In most cases, these places have warm summers and cool or cold winters with moderate rainfall in either summer or winter. The rays of the sun fall slantingly at the poles. The regions which lie between 66.5 degree north, that is Arctic Circle, to 90 degree north, and 66.5 degree south, that is Antarctic Circle, to 90 degree south, are called frigid zones. These regions are extremely cold and are covered with snow throughout the year. These are also called the polar zones. In short, as we move away from the equator, the rays of the sun tend to become more slanting and cover larger areas. This reduces their intensity greatly. This is why polar regions or areas which are at the farthest distance from the equator are so cold throughout the year. So children, in our next session we will learn our another topic, and till then take care. Goodbye.